Hi, my name's Simon and I work here at KRCS Hull. Today we're going to be looking at some backup solutions and time machine. With all your digital life now on your computers, the worst thing that can happen is for you to have a hard drive failure or accidentally delete content. From things like baby pictures to work, you just can't afford to be losing these. Today my colleagues are going to be showing you some of the backup solutions we sell at KRCS and a brief introduction into Time Machine. Starting at just £55, you really can't afford to be without.
Okay, here at KRCS we do many different types of hard drives. I'm here to talk to you about the portable hard drives that we do, which are great if you own a laptop or if you transfer data from one machine to another, say office and work. We do a couple of different types, one being the Porsche design by the Sea. It's starting at 500 gig, it goes all the way up to 2 terabytes of storage. So they are self-contained in the sense that you can just plug them in, you don't need an external power source. So you can take them with you in your bag and do it that way. If you're looking for something with a bit more protection, do the LaCie Ruggeds. They also have Thunderbolt for faster data transfer, but they can withstand drops of 2 meters. So if you do have some precious data on there and you want it looked after, the LaCie Rugged is definitely the way to go.
The other kind of drive that we have are wireless desktop drives. So Apple have their drive that they call Time Capsule, and then we have other third-party Wi-Fi network drives. So any of these can be used as what we call time machine backup. Benefit of Apple's wireless drive is that it just sits there on your Wi-Fi network and it's doing it in the background. Ours actually backed up 20 minutes ago without us having to do anything. And you'll find similar features from companies like LaCie with their wireless drives as well.
Okay, so another option we have for hard drives are desktop drives. So if you have something like an iMac and you stay at home, this is ideal for you. What it requires is a power source, but what you get is a lot more storage for your money. We get everything from 3 terabytes to 4 terabyte drives, including Thunderbolt connections, so if you wanted to read and write data faster, this is definitely the way to go. Benefits a lot more with video editing, as well as sort of file transfers with films, things like that.
So all the previous hard drives you've seen, they're great for Time Machine. Just want to show you this other one that we do. This is the LaCie Fuel. So what's great about this is you can connect it to various other Apple devices, so iPhones, iPod Touches, iPads and your Apple TV. You can take it out and about, so it's got a built-in battery of up to 10 hours. You can then go camping with it if you're in the car for long car journeys. What's really, really good is you can then actually stream 3 HD films to 3 different devices. So say if you've got 3 kids in the back of your car and they all want to watch different content on each one of their iPads, you can stream that from this. You've still got a USB 3 port, so you can connect that to your Mac or Windows computer and transfer data over to it, and it creates its own Wi-Fi network. So it doesn't matter if you're in the middle of the field with no power, no Wi-Fi connection, it creates its own source. So it's a great addition to your iPhone, iPad or Apple TV, and we fully recommend it.
So I'm now just going to show you the easy steps of Time Machine. So as you can see from the desktop, I've already got the LaCie hard drive plugged in via USB. So to enable Time Machine, you simply go into System Preferences and you choose the Time Machine option. From there, you can just simply click on and it will then ask you which hard drive you want to use. So in this instance, we'll be using the LaCie hard drive. You can also choose to encrypt the backup, and then this will securely store any passwords that you use for logins in your backup as well. So you can then use disk and it will say, do you want to erase all content on the hard drive? So please make sure it's either a blank hard drive you're using or you've got data stored elsewhere that's on that hard drive. So you choose erase and you'll now notice on the desktop it will then come back a hard drive with a green icon, and that means Time Machine is now set up. You've got a couple of other options. You can show Time Machine in the menu bar, so this gives quick, easy access to see what is actually happening. So as you can see, it's now waiting to complete its first backup. You can also go into options here and you can choose various folders you don't want to back up, such as a downloads folder. That is it. It is really that simple to have Time Machine enabled on your Mac.
Thanks for watching, I hope that was helpful. Don't forget to constantly check out krcs.co.uk for more of these blogs, and check out KRCS Hull on Twitter, and our Twitter address is KRCS Apple Hull. Cheers!